Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value, and we can see how the price has started. The previous week has closed with this bearish candle, indicating further decline in value, and this has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. The first support level has been reached, forming the bullish pin bar, indicating further rise in value, and we can see that the price has formed this bullish candle. Next day, with the wick on the upper side, trying to make a bullish breakout, but it was not successful. The next day, the price formed this bullish breakout above this area of confluence of resistance and continued to rise in value. This bullish breakout has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. When this bullish breakout has been formed above this area 2653.45, this was here. This area of breakout was being shared with the traders, and especially also these bearish breakouts here and also these bullish breakouts has been shared with the traders with the targets how the price will behave. On Friday, I have also shared this one here, how the price will react, and also the reach to 690.07, and the traders was informed on time in premium analysis, so they can also decide on their own will they follow this analysis and also target this area of resistance. So we can see that the price is currently in between this area of resistance and this support. Let's see, the weekly time frame currently shows me a bounce from this area of support, trying to make all the way to the first resistance level, which will be 2713.65 on the weekly time frame. So this is the target currently. Monthly time frame shows me it is a bullish candle format, and we are just coming to the middle of the month, so we cannot make any conclusions. I will return to the lower time frames to see how the price will behave, but currently we can see that the next target is right here at this resistance level. Daily time frame shows me also open space all the way to 2713.65. We can see that, but before that we can see that the first small resistance will be around 2692, and then it will be around 2706. That is especially visible here if we take a look here on the lower time frame, which 2690.07 is the next resistance level on the 4-hour time frame that is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. 1-hour time frame shows me also the next level, where above that it is 2698.92. 2698.92 is very 2698 is very close to this one here, which I have just mentioned. It is 2706, but much more precise level is 2698.92. That needs to be broken in order to reach 2713.65. Now you can see that these resistance and support levels are very important on the lower levels, like 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, and this is shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they are informed on time when the breakout happens and also where is the next target. If you would like to join, feel free to check the link. So for now, I'm expecting the price will try to reach higher price levels, targeting the next resistance level 2713.65. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.